Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Green Kitchen channel. Today, we're going to prepare my falafel recipe, those classic Middle Eastern chickpea patties. In this video, we'll learn how to make them both fried, as per the traditional version, and baked for a slightly lighter option. Let's get started. First and foremost, it's crucial to begin with dried chickpeas. Just like the original falafel recipe, start by placing 400 grams of dried chickpeas in a very large bowl. Then, fill it with warm water. The water should be at least 3 times the volume of the chickpeas, as they'll expand during soaking. Leave them in a corner of your kitchen for at least 12 hours. Once the soaking is done, you'll notice how much they've grown. Now, drain and rinse them thoroughly under running water. Set them aside for a moment. Meanwhile, finely chop a medium-sized golden onion, a clove of garlic, and 2 types of herbs. I used parsley and cilantro. You can use just one of these herbs if you prefer, but I decided to create a mix. In the end, you should have about 3 tablespoons of chopped herbs. Now, take your blender and add the drained chickpeas, the chopped onion and garlic, the herbs, a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and a bit of chopped black pepper. Blend everything, scraping down the sides if necessary, until you achieve an almost paste-like consistency. This step is crucial, as it prevents the falafel from falling apart during cooking, especially if you fry them. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Let it rest in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. While this step isn't mandatory, it's highly recommended as it allows the flavors to meld and the texture becomes more manageable. After this time, you can start shaping the mixture into balls. If they don't hold together well, you can compact the mixture using a spoon or add 1 or 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour. Now, shape the balls one by one, ensuring they're nicely flattened and compact. At this point, you can either fry them traditionally or bake them for a lighter version. If frying, heat about 2 to 3 fingers of frying oil in a pot until it's hot. Make sure it's hot before placing the falafel in it. Fry the falafel, gently moving them initially to prevent sticking. In a couple of minutes, they'll turn golden. Take them out and place them on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Once slightly cooled, they're ready to eat. For baking, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 358 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the falafel for 25 to 30 minutes until they're slightly golden. When they're done, you can place a heat-resistant bowl of water in the oven with them to keep them softer, as baking tends to make them slightly drier. I recommend serving the falafel as an appetizer or main dish with hummus as a side. You can find my chickpea and beet hummus recipes on the channel. Falafel can be frozen and will last up to 45 days in the refrigerator in an airtight container. Well, I'd say that's it. As always, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and will try out this recipe. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and provide feedback on the recipe. I appreciate you spending your time with me, and I'll see you very soon in the next video, right here on the Green Kitchen channel.